Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a lip tutorial. This ombre orange lip tutorial. So I went right ahead into my brown pencil, my brown lipstick from Morphe, sorry. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to outline the contour, like I'm trying to contour my lips. So there's something about tiny lips, guys. It's always very difficult for tiny lips people to have this ombre effect. So if you're a tiny lips gang, this video is for you. Well, if you have you know, fuller lips, this video is for you too. You could learn one or two things. Okay, so I'm just going right ahead into my blending brush to just outline my lips real quickly, and then I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm going into my orange lipstick, sorry, and I'm just going to put that onto the middle part of my lips. Then I'm going ahead with my blending brush to just blend. So the key thing to this lipstick is you don't want to have any harsh lines like you saw before. Like the outline doesn't have to really like be there, especially for people with smaller lips, because this ombre effect actually makes your lips look smaller, and your lips are already small. You don't want it to look even more smaller than how it is already. So I went back into more of that orange, okay, so that I just have that I still have that orange effect there, like the brown doesn't cover everything up. So I'm just going to blend in those two colors in together, and then I'll go on the topper part of my lips, and I'm just going to blend in the two colors that I have together. Okay, yeah. Oh, you my body, but you oh, you my no gilly, but you but make you whine it, baby, shake it, oh yeah, take it. So to give it that real ombre effect, I went into my ZK concealer in honey, and I'm just going to put that onto the middle part of my lips, okay, to just kind of make my lips stand out, to just bring out that pop, to make it pop more, okay, not to bring out that pop, to make it pop more. So I'm just going to blend in all the colors that I have there together. Okay, the secret to this lipstick or to any lip combo is blending. Just make sure you're blending everything in. Okay, so I'm just going to blend the upper part of my lips also, and we have that. Shake it, make it nasty, we are whining, baby, shake it, make it nasty, make it nasty. Shawty claiming that she coming red-handed, cheating with the girl next door. Squeeze. Tell me what you never do when I see big cash from my Insta explore. Like wow. Sure you won't make her the close eye, yeah. When the KB they look nice, yeah. Everything she went. So guys, that's practically it for the matte orangey ombre, and it looks really beautiful. Like your lips don't really look like it's really tiny. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to give you guys some sugar and show you guys how that looks, and then I'll go right ahead showing you guys how to achieve the glossy part. It's actually very easy. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Iman gloss, and I'm just going to place that lightly on top of what I have using my eyeshadow brush, like the under part of my eyeshadow brush, so that I don't lose any product that I have there. And I'm just going to blend my lips together, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you get notified when I do an upload. Okay, and do you love this lip combo? Like guys, I seriously love this lip combo. All right, and thank you guys for watching. So I went ahead into my brown pencil, you know, to just outline my lips even more, okay, to make it look really like fuller. Okay, the goal is to make your lips fuller, like not to make it to look really small as it is. So see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah. Oh, you might not give it back, you but make you whine it, baby, shake it, oh yeah, take it, make it nasty, oh yeah, whine it, baby, shake it, make it nasty, make it nasty.
Girl, I wanna get lost in it. Bad situation, don't come worse in it. Can't yash still big, I gotta worship it. Can't yash still big, I'm gonna worship it. Yeah, 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 please don't worsen it.